all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
Fuckers getting at it, dude. Go get a room. Alright, so we're outside Edinburgh and we have secured the new chassis. Pit stopping, getting some food. I need caffeine because we have 26-hour drive ahead of us.
One things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
What's up, everybody? Quick break in today's video. I know you guys are just excited to get to seeing this chassis as I am. I want to thank you guys very much for all the support. I want to show my support. As you guys know that I have teamed up with Summit and I got you guys a promo going out. This next week on all Summit brand products, it has to be Summit brand itself. Any $250 you spend, you get $25 off. For any $500 you spend, you get up to $50 off. So there you again. You can get up to $50 off on your purchase right now. What you have to do is you use my link down in the description. It'll throw you right into the Summit brands that you're able to pick from. And when you go to checkout, you use the promo code VALUE, and that's how you do it. Again, the link will be in my description. And that'll save you some money. Let's get to seeing what we got for a new chassis. So we've been traveling for 12 hours now. We landed in San Antonio, and then I had to drive 3 hours south to go pick up this bad boy. We have a 2009 base model C6. It's got all the body panels inside. The only thing we don't have is a driver fender and driver inner liner. So that guy over there. I don't know if I'm going to replace the liner yet or if I'm going to just tube this. Still in the thoughts on that, but I have fenders that I have stock base model fenders and rear fenders that are going to be for sale because I am going to be throwing Z06 stuff on here. Unfortunately, the bumper fell off on the way here, so it's got some scrapage marks on it, so I'm going to need a new bumper as well. But we have a rolling chassis. As you can see, there's nothing in there. We got a bumper, we got a hood, we got a diff. That's an automatic diff, so anybody needs an automatic diff, let me know. I'll sell it or I'll trade for a manual diff. This is our second fill up. And gas prices are not terrible right now. But once we get out of Texas, I know it's gonna be ass. It's been raining for 12 hours. 12 hours straight. Well, ever since we really got off the plane, so. Not too bad, I will say. The old F-150 is doing work, I will say, getting pretty damn decent gas mileage. But second fill up, I'm not complaining really. 30 gallons or 28 gallons for 106 bucks. Let's get back on the road. There's a nice thunderstorm going on over there. Oh yeah, you feel the rain. It has literally been raining the whole drive.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? Alright,
so after 12 hours of driving yesterday. At 5 o'clock this morning, I called it quits. Took a nap. Meant to only take a little nap. Took a big nap. But we're back on the road. We have had 3 fill-ups and probably another 1,000 miles to go. Let's get it.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit, I'm gonna stay.
Alright, so we've made it out a little bit outside Phoenix, Arizona now. We have made, I think, 1,300 miles, and we still have just under 700 left to go. Good old F-150's putting through. I'm not a Ford guy, but cannot complain on this truck right now. It's doing really good, pulling, getting decent gas mileage for fuel. Do another walkover around this thing now that we got it at daylight. So we have a full chassis that has cradles, brake pads, suspension, everything's under there. We're literally just missing an engine, torque tube, transmission, and a differential. And all the wiring I'm not worried about because I'm going to do all my own wiring. But very clean, very straight. I got all the panels, like I said, minus that other side. Gonna have to get a bumper. Looking for the wide body kit for this guy because she's not gonna stay skinny, or she gonna be a fat girl. This has been my most expensive fill up so far. Yuck. And I hit the cutoff on this one.
I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
What's up, everybody? We are back here at the shop after that long drive, but totally worth it. We have ourselves a C6 now. After I have actually been already working and trying to get this thing up and going. I just got the oil system done on it. I am in the middle of mounting the radiator and getting all the cooling system done on it, because sooner I get this thing done, the sooner I get to work on the vet, and I want to work on the vet. So we are working on this. This is, I'll give you actually a quick update on this. Just got the the oil system all nicely plumbed. We have all of our fittings. That's all done. Just need an oil filter. And then I have made brackets to mount the radiator up here on both sides. And now I just need to figure out my lower mounts. But I have all of these goodies that I have to put in to figure out our spacing for the fan and the water pump first. So I also got our coil packs all nicely mounted up in here. I think those turned out pretty sleek. Still, again, like I do it so you can use factory stuff. So say you burn or something, a coil pack or coil wire goes bad, you can go to this the parts store and replace it. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Stay tuned for all of the builds that are to come, and we'll see you in the next one.